Good morning to all. My name is Devasar. Today I am discussing about EV propulsion and dynamics. Subtopics should be covered: choice of electric propulsion systems, block diagrams, and concepts of EV motors, single and multi motors configurations, and fixed and variable gear transmission and inbuilt motor configurations. Electric motors used in current electric vehicles nowadays, and recent EV load factors and vehicle accelerations. The choice of an electric propulsion system means the process of selecting most suitable electric motor and its control equipment for particular applications such as electric train, metro, tram or electric vehicles. Nowadays we are using because of fossil fuel more consumption and more availability లేకపోవడం వల్ల మనం ఎక్కువ మంది ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వెహికల్స్కి స్విచ్ అవుతున్నాము. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ డిపెండెన్సీ వీఆర్ సెలెక్టింగ్ electric motors and torque needed and vehicle type. For example, we are train requires motor, high starting torque and good speed control. For example, మనం టార్క్ తీసుకుంటే ఇనిషియల్ టార్క్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో మనం ఎలక్ట్రిక్ మోటార్ అనేది మనం చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. Electric car needs efficiency, lightweight and reliable motors with regenerative braking. Types of electric propulsion systems, these are the basic definitions, and because of this we are understanding the EV. Basic electric vehicles we use a plug-in charger to charge the battery, to run the motor, to drive vehicle. Here we are basically using charger. They are AC to DC or DC to AC charger and charging port and battery pack. In basic electric vehicles, some vehicles have BMS, some other vehicles have not have BMS. BMS means battery management system. When we require transmission, we use transmission to increase or decrease the torque to control the vehicle. Hybrid electric vehicle. If it comes to a hybrid electric vehicle, we use engine to produce. We use a fuel tank and internal combustion engine or generator. In hybrid electric vehicles, we use only engine, not only motor. We use engine to generate power to move the vehicle, and certain time we use to switch the engine to electric vehicles. We use to generator to produce the electricity while we are running in internal combustion engine to produce power to charge the battery by using generator to charge the battery to run the electric motor. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. In plug-in hybrid electric vehicle we use both types. That means we use plug-in and engine to produce power. Simultaneously, the engine charge batteries through generator. Fuel cell electric vehicle. Here they are recently installed electric train, hydrogen electric train. Fuel cell vehicle, same as electric train, hydrogen tank and fuel cell stack, electric motor and electric transmission and battery pack as well as. These are the flowchart we use to understand how battery management battery electric vehicle works. First, initially charge the battery, and battery management system we use to protect the battery when the battery to protect bulging and overheating. Power electronics, that means converters and inverters and controllers. Electric motor and transmission, drive wheels, motor, and this is regenerative braking means when we apply brake that heat will be converted into electricity to charge the battery to use the motor to drive. Concept of EV motors. EV electric motors is the primary component responsible for converting electric energy stored in batteries into mechanical energy to drive the vehicle wheels. Unlike conventional internal combustion engines, EV motors operates without fuel combustion, making them high effective, efficient and environmentally friendly and quieter in operation. An EV motor is based on principle electromagnetic induction. When electric current flows through the motor winding and generates a magnetic field, this magnetic field interacts with the magnetic field. The rotor or permanent magnets produce rotational torque. Main components of EV: battery pack, motor control, and electric motor, reduction gearbox, and regenerative braking system. Types of EV motors used in nowadays in electric vehicles. ఒకటి ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయలేదు బ్రష్లెస్ DC మోటార్. బ్రష్డ్ DC మోటార్ అంటే కార్బన్ బ్రషెస్ యూజ్ చేసి రన్ చేస్తుంది. బ్రష్డ్ DC మోటార్ అండ్ బ్రష్లెస్ అండ్ పర్మనెంట్ మ్యాగ్నెట్స్ synchronized motors and AC induction motors. When we use these types of all electric motors used nowadays, we can several advantages: high efficiency, typically 85 to 95% of efficiency. Instant torque for quick acceleration, swift and smooth operation. When we observe when we are trafficking, moving in a road, electric vehicle passed in front of us, we don't observe any sound or any movement. Low maintenance due to fewer movement parts. According to the conventional engines, we have more moving parts to lubricate it. Come to with electric vehicles, we have less maintained parts to overcome the lower high maintenance. Zero tailpipe emission supports regenerative braking for improved energy efficiency. Applications: electric cars, buses and motorcycles, and electric trains, and trucks and hybrid EVs. Single and multi-motor configuration. Single and multi-motor configurations, we are using single and multi-motor configurations according to our requirements and torque and speed, according to the load factors. In single motor configuration, we use only single motor to drive the vehicle entirely. Advantage: simple design, lower manufacturing cost, high efficiency, reduced weight, suitable for daily use. Nowadays we are using electric bikes. They are using only single motor to drive the bikes. Example, electric autos. Disadvantage: lower overall power output, limited traction and less acceleration. We are using nowadays electric vehicles. The electric vehicles have some limited speed only, certain 70 or 80. Or electric autos are also 60 or 70 maximum speed. Applications: passenger EV cars and EV scooters and compact electric vehicles. Multi-motor configuration. Multi-motor configuration means we use multi-motors to drive the vehicle. We are use multi-motors, 2 or more, or each wheel have each motor to rotate the vehicle, rotate the wheels to move the vehicle. Advantage: high power and torque, faster acceleration, improved traction and vehicle stability, best performance in slippery roads, independent torque control. Best performance in slippery road means we are use individual motor to individual wheels. We are using in off-road conditions. when you stuck in a muddy area, you can use best performance slippery to overcome the disadvantages. Higher manufacturing cost, increased system complexity, and high vehicle weight, and slight increased energy consumption, and high performance driving. Applications: premium electric cars, electric SUVs. Electric SUV means special utility vehicles. Special utility vehicles means not passenger vehicles, fire engines, ambulance, and sorry, electric trucks and buses. Electric motors used in current vehicle applications. Recent EV motors and vehicle load factors, vehicle accelerations. Brushed DC motors. A brushed DC motors is electric motor that converts electric energy into mechanical energy, rotating using brushes and commutator. Is one of the construction's simplest and most widely used for DC motors because it's simple construction and low cost and easy speed controls. Basic of electric vehicles have brushed DC motors in olden days. These are the brushless DC motor parts: rotor, commutator, and carbon bushers, shaft, bearing, and stator. These are the brushed type DC motor. How it works? There are two magnets are there, permanent magnets. These armature consist of copper winding, and these are golden colors are brushes, carbon brushes. We observe in some machines, cutting machines have carbon brushes. When we wear carbon brushes, we use it according to the usage of equipment. These are the parts of brushed DC motor: shaft, wheel winding, pole shoe, frame or yoke, commutator, brushes, armature. Advantages: high starting torque, simple construction, low cost, easy speed control, quick response, and reliable performance, and easy maintenance. These are the advantages of brushed motor. Because of easy design and easy manufacturing to low cost and quick response, reliable performance, easy maintenance. Compatible size means easy to replace or maintain without any external support. Disadvantages: brushed weight. The main disadvantage of brushed DC motor is brushed weight. When we use for 1 month or 2 months, brushed weight is the major problem in brushed DC motors, and high maintenance and sparking. When you use carbon brushes, we observe sparking and lower efficiency, limited lifespan, noise generation, and heat generation. Brushless DC motor is another type of brushless DC motor. It is one of the mostly widely used in motors in electric two-wheelers and bicycles and compact electric cars. Unlike conventional DC motors, brushless DC motors do not use brushes or a commutator, resulting in a high efficiency and low maintenance. Compared with brushed DC motor, we cannot use carbon brushes and commutators to rotate the motor. These are the parts of brushless DC motor: bearing, rotor, winding, and rotation position. Rotation position is replaced with the carbon brushes. Advantages: excellent speed control, quiet operation, high reliability, good energy efficiency. Applications వచ్చేసి మనం electric scooters and electric motors, e-bikes and cars. Permanent magnet synchronized motors. Permanent magnet synchronized motor is the most commonly used motors in modern passenger electric vehicles. It uses a permanent magnet on the rotor to generate a constant magnetic field, resulting in excellent efficiency and high torque density. Advantages: excellent acceleration, high power density, better driving range due to high efficiency, precise speed control, high starting torque, reliability, weight of performance, good dynamic performance. These are the parts of in permanent synchronous motors. These are we use permanent magnet motors to drive the motor. These are the parts. Standard for winding copper winding. We commonly use the copper winding in every motors and rotator of steel plate and magnets and bearings. Disadvantages: higher cost due to permanent magnets and requires sophisticated inverter and control systems. Permanent magnets can lose strength at every high temperatures. Repairs and manufacturing are more complex, depends on rare earth magnet materials such as which can explode. Expensive. Applications: passenger electric cars, electric SUVs, hybrid electric vehicles, and luxury electric vehicles. Vehicle accelerations. These are the more various types. Depends upon the to vary vehicle acceleration, motor power and motor torque, vehicle mass and road conditions, air grip, gear ratio, and aerodynamic drag. Thank you.